Good morning mga ka-beauty! So I will be cooking fried rice for today. This is requested by my son as this is his favorite meal for breakfast. So this is kinda extra special because I added some extra ingredients. Like for example, I added some garlic. Garlic is really good for fried rice. I put a lot most of the time. So I added hot dogs as that's his favorite. And this is kind of like healthy as well because there are some veggies like corn, um, green peas, and carrots. I also added ham and egg for this one, so I'm using leftover rice. And I am just mixing everything here. Make sure that everything is mixed together. So I added sesame oil. I'm not sure if others also doing this, so I'm just making my own recipe for fried rice. So I added also oyster sauce, and also I added black pepper. I like it to be a bit spicy as well as salt. Make sure to put enough only, not more than enough. You don't want your fried rice to be too salty. Now I'm adding scrambled egg as well as spring onions, and make sure to mix it all together. And now it's ready to serve. Enjoy. And also don't forget your coffee for breakfast. This is very good for fried rice together with some mango and Shanghai roll. And my son enjoyed the breakfast. He really loved it. So try it with your kids, and I'm sure they will also like it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye.